Okay, see, you're cute, but when I wear black, you blend in, and the people can't kind of see you. So either I've always got to be changing my clothes, or I need to like paint you. It's probably not good. Oh, and he's down. Hello, my name is Mary Graves, and this is Animals and Namaste, your few minutes of mindfulness, and sometimes my animals filter in and out whenever they please. I have no control over what they do. As you can tell by the butt that is in front of me, I have my partner Lincoln sitting in front of me right now, and we'll see who else comes. Today we are going to focus on strength. Not just physical strength, but mental strength as well. Because most of us are stuck in our houses, stuck in our apartments, stuck possibly living alone, possibly living with one person, possibly living with a house full of kids. And we need mental strength as well as physical strength to get us through these tough times. So I think we should take a few minutes and bring strength into our practice. Before we get started, let me remind you that these videos come out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so feel free to subscribe to my channel if you're on YouTube or like my page if you're on Facebook. And if you like this video, feel free to like and share it with the people you think could use it. Alright, now let's begin with how we always begin. A few deep breaths to get our head focused. And breathe in. And breathe out. In and breathe out. You want to make these breaths in as full as you can. Feel it in your lungs, moving down into your diaphragm. Don't be afraid of a fat stomach. And breathe out, pushing your diaphragm back in through your lungs and out your mouth. Breathe in through the nose and out through your mouth. 3 to 5 seconds is usually good for a breath in, and then 3 to 5 seconds for a breath out. But if you are more experienced, going up to 10 seconds is not beyond your capabilities. If you've been practicing for a long time, you know your body better than anyone. One more breath in. And breath out. Alright, and now we are ready to add our mantra. I take in the strength to face the path ahead. You don't have to follow my exact pacing with breathing, and you can feel free to either say the mantra out loud or think it in your head. Feel free to close your eyes, or if you have something in front of you that reminds you of strength, you could always leave your eyes open and focus forward. And breathing in, I take in the strength to face the path ahead. And breathing in, I take in the strength to face the path ahead. Breathing in, I take in the strength to face the path ahead. Breathing in, I take in the strength to face the path ahead. And breathing in, I take in the strength to face the path ahead. Okay, now I'm going to let you think about it in your head a few times, and I'm going to say it in my head a couple times as well. Breathing in, I take in the strength to face the path ahead. I take in the strength to face the path ahead. And one more time, breathing in. I take in the strength to face the path ahead. And breathing out. Alright, now if you haven't already, feel free to close your eyes and just focus on the energy that you've just built around you. Maybe you feel a little bit tingly, feeling like you're ready to go, ready to take the strength and to win your day. And one more breath. All right. Thank you for joining me, and make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're on YouTube, or like, share, and like my page if you're on Facebook. I will be bringing you these videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so if you're on YouTube, click the bell icon and make sure you get your notifications. And that's it. I hope you got something from this. Share it with anyone you think might be able to get something from this too. Thanks again, and as always, Namaste.